It was around 3 o'clock this afternoon at the southern end of Jackson's Airport in Port Moresby, the arrival of a Tropicair aircraft flying in the newly elected member from ECPIC, Alan Bird. With him was the member-elect for Ijivitari, Richard Masere. On emerging from the terminal, a group believed to be from the People's National Congress Party went in to claim the member-elect for Ijivitari. A scuffle then ensued. The whole incident drew this comment from the member-elect from ECPIC, Alan Bird.
PNC, David Arore, come and try to kidnap National Alliance member Richard Masere. Yupla PNC Woki Mosem, leader blo ECPIC Tokyo, I will break this country in half. This is not how we run a country, with thugs, with guns, no gun. And I watched thugs, policemen also with guns. They came and they tried to kidnap Richard Masere. Papua New Guinea, you play like Stablo, that's like a country where you may by stealing all member na, packing ballot paper, go inside now, all polling officials by packing na. This is how you're gonna run your country. I can't believe this. I honestly, I am lost. But people will speak, we will not stand for this sort of thing. This line of passing how you run your country. Peter O'Neill, I appeal to you, you and your thugs. People speak, people no marry money, but don't do this. Please. Now you blow get all. I just had to scream. I lost my voice. I screamed at these guys and they left. I'm an elected member of parliament, for goodness sake. I represent 600,000 civics. Good luck, Patrick. Yeah. You want to talk to Peter O'Neill, do it properly. Not all of us are enemies. Come on.
It is believed that the former member for Ijivitari, David Arore, was trying to hijack Richard Masere. Sheila Malkin, NBC National News, Port Moresby.